All right, today is the 24th of April. Hello, guys. I see some people are already writing down pairs that they want for analysis today. Let's see, we have Euro USD on the list. Euro USD on the list. We have GBP USD on the list. We have USD JPY on the list. We have gold, obviously, on the list, which is last. If you have any pairs that you want analysis for, you can put that in the comment section. We always use the first few minutes when we start the stream to gather all the pairs that we want to do the analysis for in the stream. Someone says just trying to get the algo going B. All right, so I partnered with someone who makes a trading software, right? But it's just for gold, right? And before, thanks for the love reaction, guys. If you can react also, there's a reaction now. YouTube just added it, and yeah, it helps the channel also. Like also, if you comment, it doesn't matter what type of comment you make, it can just be random comments. It helps the channel also. That way I can help you guys by giving you guys more free live streams, more free signals, more free analysis. The more you comment, the more you react, the more you like, the more I can do for you guys, the more you guys can benefit from this channel. So with that being said, so let me explain the software. The software is something you can get for free. All you have to do is sign up on Mulligan Markets. You can use my link in description. You can sign up on a demo account. Make sure your account is $5,000. Then send me a screenshot of that to my Telegram, and I'll send you the next details on how to get the free trading software, okay, that you can use to make tests. So the software will be free till June. You can use it, leave it on your account, let it just trade. You can show me the results. You can even have a 50,000 account, 20,000. I'm just saying the minimum is 5,000, right? And when it's ready, you can decide to subscribe later on. I also have my software that does the analysis for manual trading, right? It comes free with the course. It's still not ready for TradingView yet. I'm still pushing my software engineer for that. They are still wasting time. But yeah, if you want to join me live, you want to see how I trade, you want to see how I swing trade, scalp trade with me, joining me to take live trades, this will benefit you guys a lot, because I know nobody is out there teaching you guys trading with live trades. They're all just talking, showing you some charts, paper trading with you, and that's not how the market works. We all know that. Deep down in our hearts, we all know that that's not how the market works. Every day something different can happen, but if you're learning from live trades, you're learning how to trade when you have your account there. You're learning from someone who is actually putting their money where their mouth is, which is the best way to learn. Not someone who is telling you this is how it works, but will not do it themselves and telling you to do it with your own money, which is very, it's a very big disadvantage, if in my opinion. But it all depends how you want to do it. But in my opinion, you should always choose the best for you. Where are we? Yeah, so if you have any other pairs you want analysis for, put that in the comment section. I'll add that to my list. If you join the stream later on asking for pairs, I will not do it. You have to wait till the next live stream, okay? Let's see. All right, so hello Remy, hello Nathan. Nathan says GBP USD. We already have GBP USD on the list. SMB commented that. So yeah, let's have like a break, an ad break for 30 seconds, and then we'll be right back analyzing the pairs. Added GBP CAD. Okay, let me just put GBP CAD to the list. USD CHF. Okay. And guys, remember to comment, okay? Remember to comment. Once we are about to do the pairs, all I ask for is your comments, plain and simple. Any random comments. If you want if it's time for USD JPY, you can just type UJ as many times as possible. You don't even have to type UJ. You can just type random things. That's the only payment I ask for in this live streams, okay? And we did another poll, right? I did another poll on my community section. I asked what session should we do for now. Most people still said New York session. So guys, it's not like I don't want to do multiple sessions for you guys. I wish I could do New York session, London session, and Asian session every single day. But like I said, it depends on you guys. The more you help the channel, the more I can do for you guys. And I'm not asking you for any payment. I'm just asking for a simple comment, you know. So yeah, like, share, and subscribe. We'll be right back with multiple pairs and we'll see what we have on the list. For now, we have EURUSD, GBP USD, USDJPY, GBP CAD, USD CHF, XAUUSD. Someone says they have their stops on the high of GBP CAD. So we'll see how GBP CAD is. Is it bearish? Is it bullish? Okay, someone says NZD USD, NZD USD. Someone says Euro JPY. Someone says USD CAD. So keep on adding to the list and we'll be right back in about 30 seconds. Guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I used to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in description below to sign up and start trading and making profits just like I do. Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can, so like I was saying, if you want to get the free trading bot, it trades only gold. You have to join the broker, open a demo account, right? Make sure the demo account is minimum of $5,000. Send me a screenshot and I'll send you details on how to get the software. It's free to test till June. I want you guys to be able to test it. I want you guys to be able to see the results. Now you are getting the software for free, right? There's a free auto trading bot for those people who do not have time to trade, who have to go to work, who have to do this and that. This is your opportunity to get a free auto trading bot. It only trades gold. It only works for gold. You guys keep saying free, free, free. Every time I give you guys, you know the funny thing, I can get 100 messages that ask for free things. When I actually give something for free, about 20 people now actually apply for it. I really don't understand you guys. But anyways, I've given you guys the instructions. So let's see how this plays out. Let's dive into this very, very quickly. And let's see. All right, let's begin with Euro USD. The market on Friday was kind of tricky. Even when I gave you guys analysis on pairs, except for gold, I was very, very skeptical, right? I was very skeptical. All right, so we're looking at Euro USD the last time. We had this zone. We wanted it to break this zone. Oh yeah, guys, type Euro USD. Let's type EU as many times as possible, and then we'll begin the analysis on Euro USD. Yeah, I noticed I noticed YouTube is, I think YouTube is hating, right? They are not allowing people to comment as much as they want. But like I said, if I see that there are a lot of comments on EU, I'll give long-term targets. If there are not a lot of comments, I'll just give short-term targets. So I'm seeing a lot of comments on EU. You guys can keep commenting. Yeah, YouTube is hating. I don't know why YouTube is hating. Why are you hating YouTube? So I see a lot of comments on EU. So what we're going to do is we're going to give a long-term target. So let's continue with the analysis that we're doing on EU. So yeah, with Euro USD, we were expecting, not we were expecting, we wanted it to break this zone on the low, right? But it didn't break it. It tried for a lot of days, 1, twice, 3 times. It didn't. Eventually it broke the high, and now we're moving bullish on Euro USD. So now we have to look for how we can take advantage of this. Is this just happening because today is Monday? Is this something that is going to happen long term? We have to look for an entry, right? We just got this from the market that this is where we are. So let's look into it. We can look at areas like 0.98. No, what am I saying? 1.098, right? Around here. This high that was broken. If the market comes all the way here, right? What can we do? We will look at the low of today. It's possible to find an entry around here, right? And if we're looking at our short-term target, we would say we're going to 1.025. Why am I getting these numbers wrong? 1.1025, right? 1.1025. Short-term targets. Where would be our exit? Our exit would be the low of today, which is about less than 13 pips risk, or let's just say 13 pips risk. But if we wanted to look at our long-term targets, right, we would want the market to break this high of 1.1025 and go all the way to, and it's very likely that it goes long as for today, right? Tomorrow something else might happen, right? This is why I want to be doing analysis every day, right? This is why I tell you guys to comment. The more you comment, the more I can do analysis. I want to be doing analysis even if it's just New York session, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is why I ask you guys to comment. Even if I'm not doing anything, even while I'm doing the analysis, even when I'm not telling you to comment, if you can comment, it helps the channel, right? It brings more people on the channel. Once I start seeing 300 viewers, 400 viewers, I know that there are more people that I need to help. And if I have more people to help, I can help you guys. I can do more live streams, because on Monday the markets can be bullish, on Tuesday it can turn to bearish, right? And if I give you an analysis for bullish on Monday and on Tuesday it turns to bearish and I don't update you guys, it affects you guys. And you know, I want to be able to help you guys every single day. So that's why I ask for comments. You don't have to wait till I ask you guys to comment. Just, you know, help yourself. It's not just helping the channel. Think about it. If it helps the channel, it helps you also. All right, so yeah, long-term targets, we will be looking at around 1.15, which is about 220 pips, right? Even if, for those people who are very impatient, I wouldn't tell you to enter now, right? I wouldn't tell you to enter now. If you are impatient, right, you could enter around 1.1, set your exit at the low of Monday, low of the 24th of April 2023. Okay, the low of Monday. You'll be risking about 33 pips, still 6-to-1 ratio. This one is about 17-to-1 ratio. If you are patient, you can enter this trade. Even if you enter with a small lot size, 0.1 lot size, you are risking $17 for 220. If you now enter with a 0.5, you're risking about 100 to make 1,000. Okay, over $1,000. Okay, so think about it that way. You don't always have to risk a large lot size. You just always have to have the right trade. I explained this in my last live stream. Okay, so yeah, let me just go back to my software, because it's my software that is allowing me to be able to do all this analysis very quick for you guys. Let me check for more updates. But if you are not patient, you want to risk about over 33 pips. You want to risk about 33 pips. That's on you, right? I always go for I always go for the best trades. You know, I've been trading since 2012. I always go for the best trades. I'm not desperate. I'm not in a hurry. I know the markets will always give me an opportunity on at least one pair to have the best trades. I'm not always in a hurry to take trades from this, from that, from that. When a trader is losing, that's when they're always desperate to take any trade, right? I always do analysis. I can do analysis on 10 pairs, look at those 10 pairs and pick the one that gives me the best trades with the lowest risk possible and the highest possibility on the trade. Okay, as for now, on Monday I would say we are bullish on Euro USD. Tomorrow I'm not doing any live stream. Okay, my live streams are Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Okay, as for now. Okay, right now while we're having over 100, over 200 viewers, this is what I'll be doing. When we have over 300 to 400 live viewers, then I'll be doing live stream every single day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We will be following up on the trades every single day. New York session. Okay, so guys, where are we? Where were we? So these are the two possibilities on Euro USD. I wouldn't say you should enter now, wait till about 1.1, worst case scenario 1.1. If you want to enter early, that's it on Euro USD. So now what's next on our list, guys? GBP USD. Let me see. After that we should do NZD USD, right? Let's get all the country pairs with USD first, then we'll go to the JPYs, then USD CAD, GBP CAD, USD CHF, and then last but not least, gold baby. All right, so next on our list is GBP USD. Where is GBP USD? We always get there you are. All right, GBP USD. Where were we? Guys, type GBP USD, GBP USD, GBP USD. Let's go. GBP USD rate. Let's go. GU. right, not a lot of likes for GU. I think most people do not care about GU, so we won't be doing long-term targets. Let's see GU. Let me just get GU on my screen so we can get a quick analysis for GU and see what is going on. Let me see. AD card is playing some kind of games with me. Sorry about that, guys. Oh yeah, so where were we? All right. GBP USD is, someone commented about GBP USD. They said GBP USD is looking, someone said no voice. You can't hear me? Can you guys hear me? Type yes if you can hear me. Okay, someone says, Real Talk Mafia says GBP USD looks bullish. Yeah, GBP USD is kind of bullish, but the main issue is this, right? We're looking at it to be bearish before, and we're looking at this high for it to break, but it's now looking like a consolidation in this area, right? It's just been here floating in between, so this sell is not valid anymore because we're in a consolidation. That's the issue. We're in some kind of consolidation. So the issue is that it can look bullish and then it can look bearish at the same time. So we'll just have to wait. We need to wait for GBP USD to escape. I would say we need to wait for GBP USD to escape 1.2, right? 1.2, oh wow, 1.2475, right? I don't see any trades on GBP USD, or for bullish, or break 1.2375 bearish, right? There's no trade on GBP USD. Is just consolidating. It's not bullish, it's not bearish for now. We need to escape this zone first, right? So no trades on GBP USD yet. Someone says GBP CAD. I think we already, yeah, we have USD CAD and GBP CAD on the list. All right, so don't worry about that. What we have next on our list is NZD USD. So you guys know what to do next. NU. Oh yeah, we're very close. We're about 1,500 subscribers from hitting 25,000 subscribers. That's very good. So guys, NU, NZD USD, NU. Let's go guys, NU. Who even asked for NZD USD? I can't remember who asked for NZD USD. Are you in a trade on NZD USD? If you're in a trade, look, when I'm doing analysis for these pairs, right? If you're in a trade on those pairs, just write it in the comment section what you're on. If you're on a buy, if you're on a sell, so that I will know exactly how to help you and what to tell you exactly to do. Maybe I can tell you to take some profits now, let the rest run. Maybe I can tell you to change it to a buy, change it to a sell, take all your profits, you know, get out of that trade. So the more you comment about your situation, the more you tell me, the more I can help you. If you don't tell me anything, I can't help you, right? So like I said, and for those people watching me on mobile, if there's a reaction that YouTube has now, if you can react, click the love button. That will also help. Someone said gold is already on the list, okay, and this person is from Russia. How did you find my channel? Someone says, do I trade today? I'm already in a gold sell, but the thing is that I'm expecting gold to go. Oh, no, you have to wait. I was about to spill the beans on gold. You have to wait till we get to gold, right? We have on our list NZD USD, USD JPY, Euro JPY, USD CAD, GBP CAD, USD CHF, and then we'll get to gold. So you have to wait till we have gold. Oh yeah, from Uzbekistan, not Russia. Oh, okay. You have to wait till we get to gold. So when I say you should comment for pairs, when you get to those pairs, if you can comment, it will help us get to gold faster. You said you love the channel. I love you guys too. I love you guys too. The more you comment, the more it helps the channel, the more it helps more people to come to the channel. Okay. We're just trying to get more and more people here. Maybe instead of doing this live stream, because on average we do the live stream for on average about 1 hour, maybe we can go for it for 2 hours, 3 hours, who knows. So if you ask me for more peers, you know, then we'll have more peers to talk about. Thank you for the reactions. I see some people are making reactions. You guys can also like also. So yeah, we're still on NZD USD, guys. Like I said, comment NU. If I don't see a lot of comments, I'm not gonna give long-term targets, right? But let me just end this with GBP USD. If GBP USD eventually breaks the long, right? Because you guys made a lot of comments for GBP USD, so I don't want to leave you guys hanging. If GBP USD actually goes long, we would and breaks this consolidation on the high, we can see it go all the way to 1.26. right, 1.26. let's see how far it can go. 1.26. we can actually see it go all the way to 1.27, right? But if it breaks the low, we might see it go all the way down to 1.22, right? But first of all, we need to break this consolidation. So let's quickly move on to NZD USD. I'm expecting your comments for NZD USD. All right. So guys, keep typing NU. You can just type random things. It also helps. All right. Where is NZD USD? Wait, when you guys are watching the video, when you make a reaction, are you guys seeing the reaction in the video? Is the reaction? Are you guys seeing other people's reaction? Because I see it in the comment section. Do you guys see it also? When other people react? Are you guys do you guys see the reaction in the chat that YouTube just added? You see other people's reaction. Someone says yep. Okay, that's crazy. YouTube just added that. Could you have a look at GBP AUD? We're already 30 minutes in. All right. So yeah, someone says what reactions? YouTube added reactions. If you're watching it on your PC, I don't think you'll see it. You know, I think if you're watching it on mobile, that's when you'll see it. Yeah, the not the emojis, it's reactions. It's reactions. Emojis are something different. Hello Sunday. Hello Amoeba. Hello BK Media. BK Media will have to do GBP AUD during the next session. You came in late, right? We always the reactions, the pairs that we do analysis on are for people who come in early. If you want reactions, if you want analysis, I'm mixing reactions and analysis. If you want your analysis done for your pair, you have to come in early and then, you know, write down the pairs that you want. Okay, you're kind of late. Come in on Wednesday and make sure you come in early. Immediately I end this stream today, I'll schedule for the live stream on Wednesday. And like I keep saying, you guys should help with the comments because I want to help you guys as much as possible. Let me just repeat what I said before. Hello, the King Banks. Let me repeat what I said before. The more people we have, the more people I know that I have to help. If we have over 300 to 400 people on this live stream, then I can start doing live streams on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Friday. The reason why it's important is because that way I can follow up and help you guys more. Because on Monday the market might be bullish, we might do analysis, and while on Tuesday the market might turn bearish, right? And if I'm not doing an analysis on Tuesday, hello Tandy, if I'm not doing an analysis on Tuesday, then that means you guys will not get the update of what happened in the market. You won't get the updates that the market has changed. And if you're following the trade that I gave on Monday, you know, you won't have the update that you should either close in, take some profits, move to break even. But if I'm giving you analysis every single day, on Monday I'll tell you guys the market is bullish. If the market turns bearish on Tuesday, I can tell you guys, hey guys, the market is bearish, this is why. Maybe take some profits, maybe move to break even. So like I said, let's keep on commenting. You don't have to wait till I tell you to comment. Even while I'm doing the analysis, you can comment random things. It doesn't have to make sense. Just make comments. It will help the channel. It will bring more people to watch the channel. Once it's over 300 to 400 viewers, I promise you guys, I will be doing free live streams, free analysis for you guys. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we will be following up on these pairs. You will follow the same way you see me holding my swing trades. Sometimes I take some profits. We will be doing that day by day. So it's just up to you guys. The more help you want, the more you comment, you know. So yeah, NZD USD. I see a lot of comments for NZD USD, so we'll be looking at the long-term targets also. Also, guys, when I asked for comments for a pair, the more comments you make for that pair, the more comments you make for that pair, that means I'll give a long-term analysis. If I list a pair and you're not making comments, I'll just give a quick short-term targets. Okay. So, and you guys know how once I'm in a trade, I hold that thing for like days, weeks, you know, and I just keep on taking profit along the way. I know when to take my full profit, I know when to take my partial profit. I'm asking for comments so that you guys can join me for free. I'm not telling you guys to pay me for these live streams, simply asking for comments. But if you want to learn, you want the software, you want to be able to do this on your own, you can go to nfxandcrypto.com. I'm also opening a free signal group. It hasn't started yet, where I'll be giving scalp signals, swing signals. All you have to do is fund your account with at least $250. Go to Mega Market, fund your account, send the screenshot to me, and I'll add you to a list. Okay, once we have 100 people in that list, I'll open up that group and I'll be dropping signals. Okay, so yeah, let's see. NZD USD, NZD USD, NZ, yeah, it's NZD, yeah, NZD USD. Okay, where are we? NZD USD, right? Is I wouldn't say it's, yeah, but it is consolidating, right? It is consolidating, but not a big long consolidation like GBP USD, right? So based on my software, we might be looking at a bullish move, but it's not that strong, right? What we want is a break of either this high or a break of this low, right? But it's possible to use this 1 minute, guys, let me drink some water. It's possible to use this consolidation to our advantage, right? Because it hits this high, which means that the market most likely will come down, right? So two things can happen. Either we wait till this high is broken, the high of today is broken, right? And then we can see NZD USD go all the way to 0.2 0.6 0.62, right, which is about 50 pips away, which is not a lot. Or we can wait till the market comes back and try to take advantage of this consolidation for a buy, right? So if we're going to take advantage of this consolidation for a buy, where would we buy? We could buy around, guys, this is kind of a gamble. I'm not saying you should take this trade. I'm not saying it's sure. It's just something that if you have extra profits, you can gamble on, right? You could buy around 0.6135, right? 0.6135, 6135, right? All the way up to here. Exit at the low of today, right? So you'll be risking about 10 pips for this gamble, 6.5 to 1 ratio trade for about 65 pips. It's a gamble, right? It's a gamble, all right? Because we're in kind of a consolidation, so this is a gamble. If you have some extra funds, you want to test this out, it's a gamble. Okay, so NZD USD is not looking, we need to break either this zone, but if it breaks this low, right, of today, we can expect NZD USD to go all the way down long term to 0.60, just 1 minute, guys. 0.60. Okay, this one's there already. 0.60. NZD USD doesn't even move that much. I don't know why someone would be trading it. If I was trading NZD USD, I'll just be using it to scalp. I'll be trading it for scalp trades. It's not really moving a lot. Its long-term target is not even up to 60. It's just like 50-60 pips, right? Who is trading who is trading NZD USD? Scalping will be best on NZD USD. Is scalping or swing trading? Someone asked, is scalping or swing trading better in my opinion? Look, when I had little funds, right? When I didn't have a lot of money, scalping was the best. Right? If you have a small account, scalping is the best because you're going high risk. You really don't have a lot to lose. You have nothing really to lose, right? With my scalping method, I have students who have my FX book who are showing you that they started with $400 and in 1 month they were able to get it to $2,000. I have students who started with 25,000 and they have my FX book. If you go to my Telegram group, you check the videos, you check the pictures, you see people. Even if you go to my testimonial page, even if you check my live trading with my students on my YouTube page, you see people, they are scalping. I usually tell them swing trade, but they always scalp. They make 200%, 400%. It's a good way to make profits fast, right? But if you have small funds, if you have a lot of funds, I would encourage swing trading. For example, you have a $10,000 account, you are taking some of the lowest risk on your trades possible. If you make 10%, that's what $1,000. If you have $50,000, you make 10%, that's $5,000. So it depends on where you are. Okay, it depends on where you are. But swing trading it has less risk. That's just it. So it's low risk, low reward. High risk, high reward. Okay, I can't break it down for you guys here. I can't explain it in details. If you want to learn more, if you want full breakdown, if you want everything taught to you, you go to nfxandcrypto.com. you get one of the courses and you get the software. Also, we'll be taking live trades and I will be able to explain everything in details. But what I'm just giving you guys is just surface level things. If you want to do more research, just figure out how hedge funds take their trades. Hedge funds are not using stop losses. Hedge funds, I trade the exact same way hedge funds trade. I use the same mindsets that hedge funds use. These are people who are trading hundreds of millions and billions, right? Imagine a hedge fund taking $100,000 stop loss. Do you think anyone would be investing there? Do you really think anybody will be investing there? This is why they hedge. So yeah, let's get back into it. So that's just it for NZD USD. It's not really sure. It's kind of a gamble, you know, but you're gambling about, you're risking about 10 pips. So yeah, you know, it's just there. So let's move on to our next pair, which is USDJPY. You guys know what to do. You guys know what to do. Let's go to UJ. Where is that bad boy or bad girl? Well, let's see. UJ. There you are. There you are. All right, UJ. You guys know what to do. Let's comment as much as possible. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. UJ. Someone says, how can they send me screenshots? So just send me screenshot on Telegram. I literally put the instructions, everything step by step on Telegram. Okay. UJ, guys, remember, the more comments you make, that means I'm gonna do a long-term target. If I don't get enough comments, I'll just do like a few days targets, maybe 1 day targets, or so let's go. UJ, it can be anything, just comment random things, emojis, anything. Let's go, and we'll see how many comments we have, and then we'll decide if we're going to have a long-term target or not. I see someone is commenting GBP CAD. We already have GBP CAD on the list. Type UJ. If you just type UJ, then we can get to GBP CAD faster. If you want to help yourself, type UJ. Okay. The more you type UJ, the more I can help you. The more you can help yourself. So let's go UJ. GBP CAD is already on the list. After UJ, we have EURUSD. Someone type UK. After UJ, we have EURUSD, USD CAD, and then GBP CAD. Okay, so let's go UJ. Hello, Pavlo. All right, let's begin. You guys can keep commenting. The last time we did an analysis on USDJPY, that was Friday. We took a sell around here, and before we ended the stream, I told you guys we needed to break this low of 133.5. If we were not able to break this low of 133.5, the markets would use this and use it to push all the way up. Just 1 minute, guys. I need to sneeze. Sorry about that. Yeah. All right. Let me just drink some water. And I told you, if you didn't break 133.5, once you get up to 50 pips, take some profits and move that to break even. And that is exactly what happened. We got to about 50 pips in profits. It got to 133.5. It wasn't able to break it before the end of New York session, and what happened? The trade went bad. So that trade is invalid. It paid out exactly like I said it would. And then we're looking at USDJPY as bullish. I'm kind of skeptical on this USDJPY bullish move. Okay, kind of skeptical, but I'm gonna do an analysis on what I see in the market so far. Okay, this is why I want to be doing more analysis for you guys, because I believe this USDJPY is just temporary, right? It might just be a temporary move. Why am I saying that? Because look at this, right? Look at this. We are in a range of around here, right? Okay, so it's some kind of consolidation. Push, push, push. We get up here and it might drop all the way down again. Okay, right? So that's why I'm kind of skeptical. Anytime we're having all these kind of consolidated areas, I'm always very skeptical to look at it long term, right? I'm always skeptical to say, oh, it's a buy, it's a sell. I might give the analysis, but is it going to hold long term? This is why I want to be doing analysis for you guys every single day, so that Monday we can look at it, Tuesday we can look at it, Wednesday we can look at it, Thursday we can look at it, Friday we can look at it. The more comments you make, the more I can help you guys. I keep on saying this thing. One minute, guys. Yeah, so now we're kind of looking bullish on USDJPY. Is there an entry for a long? It is possible, but the issue is this consolidation. I would say we should wait. It's possible to take a buy around 134.25, right? Around here. But it's gonna be a kind of gamble, you know. It's not really clear. We don't have any clear short trades on USDJPY, because where would I put the exit? The exit will be the low of today, right? But kind of skeptical, guys. Kind of skeptical. I would want it to break this zone. I would want it to break around this 135 or 133.5 area first. So why some kind of consolidation? Is there anyone on a USDJPY trade right now? Right? Is there anyone on a USDJPY trade? Someone asked, where did I get this song from? I have a friend who makes music. He made it for me. Is there anyone on a USDJPY trade so I can advise you on what to do? Long term, because you guys made a lot of comments on USDJPY. Long term, if we're going bullish, we can go all the way to 136.5. Right? We can go all the way to 136.5 as a first target. Right? And if it continues to go long, we could see it go all the way to 137.5. Okay, 137.5. If it however breaks this bullish, this bearish area for the consolidation, we could see it go all the way down to 131. I already even pointed that out already, 131. So we're in some kind of issue right now. It's not really a good short trade. Tomorrow that will be more confirmed. Tomorrow or Wednesday. Tuesday or Wednesday is when we'll get a proper trade on USDJPY. Tuesday or Wednesday. This is why I want to be doing live streams every day. I don't like the fact that I have to skip some days because we don't have enough people here. But once we have over 300 to 400 people, yes, okay, so you say you're on USDJPY, but like I said, tell me exactly, are you in a buy, are you in a sell, so that I'll know how to help you, right? You're on a hedge in UJ. Okay, I'm confused. confused. You're in a hedge in a kind of, I don't understand what you're doing. But anyways, let's move on to the next pair, which is Euro JPY. We're making a lot of profits on Euro JPY, but let's see what's really going on with Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Ooh, we could have had a nice buy trade on Euro JPY, but we missed it. Oh, actually, we didn't miss it. There was no opportunity to enter the trade. Euro JPY is bullish, right? But there's no entry so far. That's the issue. There is no good entry. Euro JPY left us with no good entry. For those people who bought earlier on with me, right, and didn't close your trade, you can still keep profiting from Euro JPY like I am, right? You can still keep profiting from Euro JPY because I am. And boom. Let's see. Long-term target for Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Oh yeah, guys, comment Euro JPY. I was about to give you guys everything. Euro JPY. EJ, come on, let's go. It's done for today. I don't expect any more thing to happen on Euro JPY. The only thing I can do is give you guys a long-term target for Euro JPY. There is no entry, unfortunately. No trade on Euro JPY. But boom. I think I'm gonna make a lot of profits on this Euro JPY because I'm still holding mine. We still have this target of 150.5. Let me just give you guys the long-term target because I want to move away from Euro JPY. There's no entry, not much trade on Euro JPY. You can get to 150.5 or 150. All right, on Euro JPY. I'm still going for this target. Once I get to 150, I think I'm going to take at least 90% of my profit, right? Because if you guys have been following me from the beginning, we've been buying from around here. We bought here again. We made some profits. We lost some profits. Market decided to clear us out at some point, right? But like I said, if we're able to break this high in our last live stream, I gave 2 points, right? I said if we're able to break this high, we broke this high. If we're able to break this high, which we did then break this high, and he used it as a way to launch up again. Oof. Let's see. Yeah. So we're back on our journey on Euro JPY. So let's see what's next on the list. USD CAD. All right, guys. Let's type UC as many times as possible. Someone says please check gold. We have gold on the list. Okay, just comment USD CAD so that we can get to gold very quickly. After USD CAD, we have GBP CAD, then we have USD CHF, then we have gold. Okay, I will check gold. Just type UC for now. The issue is that there was we could have actually taken a trade on EURUSD. We could have taken an entry, but that's if we had done this live stream during Asian session. I keep on telling you guys, we need to do Asian session. We really need to start doing Asian session because we miss a lot of trades by not being in Asian session. We really miss a lot of trades by not being in Asian session. You guys don't know how many trades we miss. Most of the trades happen, I would say at least 30 to 40%, or sometimes even 50% of the trades happen during Asian session, because we could have taken a buy around here and set the exit at the low of today, and we would have had our long-term targets, right? We would have had our long-term targets here at least for about 250 pips, 5-to-1 ratio trade, But anyways, that is gone. On to the next. What is next on our list? We have USD CAD. USD CAD. All right, so let's see how many people made comments for UC. All right, so we'll give long-term target on UC. I said we will do gold. We will do gold. We will do gold after we are done with USD CAD, GBP CAD, USD CHF, and then gold. You are not even typing USD CAD. I keep on telling you guys, if you want to help yourself, if you want me to be able to help you, type as many comments. Even if it's not your peer, type comments for that peer so that we can get to the peer done fast, and then we can move on to the next peer. Where are we? USD CAD. Let me just put that on my software. Let me get a quick analysis. Boom, boom, boom. USD CAD is still looking bullish, even though USD CAD, let's see. USD CAD is not. I got disconnected there for a bit, guys. Can you guys still hear me? And I got disconnected again. I don't know why I'm getting disconnected. Yeah, it's cutting. Oh, you see, you didn't comment till I asked if I got disconnected. So you see, there are a lot of people that are watching. I asked to comment, they just watch and they keep quiet. Yeah, I got disconnected, but I'm connected, guys. I'm connected back, guys. So yeah, USD CAD is not, it's not really that clear. It's possible for us to get an entry. Let's see long term, how far can we go? Right now, it's showing us that we might be bearish, right? That we might be bearish, but that is just for Monday. And that is my fear, because on Tuesday we might be bullish, right? On Tuesday we might be bullish. We're kind of bearish on USD CAD. It can go all the way down to 1.335. Long term, we don't really have any good entries unless we can sell at around 1.355. Then we'll sell all the way down to 1.335. Set your exit at the high of today. So you're risking about 17 pips for 200 pips. It's about 11.5 to 1 ratio trade. You can enter at around 1.355. But if it breaks the high of today, you can try to open a long position, set the exit at the low of today, and go all the way long to around 1.37, right? So because today, which is about 4-to-1 ratio trade, but you're risking more, you know, the long trade is not really looking that favorable, you know. Even if let's say you enter around now, you're risking about 30 pips. It's still about 6.5 to 1 ratio trade, about 28 pips you're risking, right? So it depends, but I still feel there's some kind of consolidation, you know. All right, so if you enter a USD CAD sell, right, we want to be able to break the low of today. We want to be able to have a close below the low of today before the end of New York session. If we can have that, then I would say we have a good trade on USD CAD. If you can have a break of the low below below the low of today, then you can continue to hold your sell for USD CAD. If it doesn't break the low of today, it's the same thing that will happen like we saw with USDJPY. It's going to bounce from here and then eventually go to break this high. So that's what you have to look for USD CAD. It has a good possible sell trade position, good risk to reward ratio, no matter where you take the trade from. And yeah, USD CAD is looking kind of good. But the issue is today is Monday, Tuesday, it might change, right? So you have to be just very cautious of that. If we have a good break below the low of today, I would advise you to take some profits, right, and move your stop back to break even. For me, who uses hedging as a system, hedging as a strategy, this will not be a problem. Okay. All right, so what's next on our list? Next on our list is GBP CAD. I know somebody has been talking about GBP CAD since, telling me their position, telling me their entries, telling me everything. Let me just quickly put our charts on GBP CAD and let's get as many comments as we want and as we can on GBP CAD. And yeah, while we're at that, you can make as many comments as possible. Just type random things, anything. It helps the channel. The more you help the channel, the more I can help you guys. It's more live analysis and signals every single day. Like I said, I want to be doing it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The more comments I get, the more viewers I get on the live stream, the more live streams I'll do. So with that being said, we'll be right back. Let me just put the pair on my software to get a quick analysis, and let's get as many comments as possible. And like I keep saying, even while I'm doing the analysis, you don't have to stop making comments. You can still keep making comments. And yeah, we'll be right back. funny thing is the person who wanted GBP CAD and has been screaming for GBP CAD since hasn't made any comment on GBP CAD. Alright, let's do GBP CAD very quickly. We are already over 1 hour in this stream and I'm trying to get off this stream very quickly, hopefully in the next 10 to 15 minutes because I have to be somewhere. You said you're on a sell on GBP CAD. GBP CAD, I would say is looking kind of bullish, my guy. You know, it's just consolidating here, most likely before it continues to push long. You said you are selling at around 1.683. Let's see, 1.68. You were selling around here, okay, and your exit is at around probably the high of today, right? So where did you say your exit is? 1.68. Let's just say 1.688, right? Bro, you are taking a gamble. You are taking a big gamble. You are taking a big gamble because the likelihood of the market going short is very low, right? The likelihood of the market going short is very low. I would not be in that trade. You're in a terrible trade. You know, you are really just gambling. I'll just be very honest. If you want to continue the trade, that's up to you. I'm not telling you to come out of it, but in my opinion, it's a terrible trade. I don't see any sell in the market. The market is long. You know, it can keep on going long all the way to at least 1.6925, and long term it can go all the way to 1.7. okay, so you are really taking a big gamble. I'm not saying it cannot go short, but from what I'm seeing right now in the market, it can go all the way to 1.7. Even your stop loss is too much. Even your stop loss is unnecessarily too much. You know, I don't know. Definitely you're not my student. You know, so I don't know what you're doing. I really just don't know what you're doing. So just get out of that trade. Just get out. But your choice. If you want to stay in it, that's up to you. You know, it's just my feedback. Yeah, no worries. Let's move on quickly to USD CHF so that we can get to gold very quickly. All right, guys, you know what to do. USD CHF. Let's go. USD CHF. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. USD CHF. Let's go. 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 USD CHF. Where's USD CHF? right, we have a lot of comments on USD CHF. This is good. You guys are knowing what to do. So I'll just give a quick long-term target because I really wanna. I'm quite late and I want us to get to gold very quickly. USD CHF, we're looking at it's kind of bearish. If we want to get, yeah, we had a trade on USD CHF before, just totally missed it, and here we are now, bearish again. Let's see. Looking for a good entry. The thing is, most especially USD pairs, most of them today they are bullish, but tomorrow or on Wednesday, you know, anything can happen. They can turn bearish. Some of them are bearish right now. Tomorrow they can turn bullish. On Wednesday they can turn bullish. That's just the issue. That's just a really big issue. But for now, let's see how the market is. We are bearish on USD CHF so far. If we want to get a good entry, we can get a good entry at around, let's see, 0.89. And USD CHF doesn't even move that much. That's the issue. Yeah, it's good for scalping though. Let's just say 0.89125. Set your exit at the high of today. Not risking much. First target is 0.8825. Right, good risk to reward ratio 5:1. Second target is 0.875. 10:1 ratio trade, risking about 15 pips. Even if you enter at around here, right, high of the day. First target is about 2.7:1 ratio trade, risking almost 30 pips. Second target is 5:1 ratio trade. But like I said, we need to break this low, okay, before the end of New York session, because if we cannot break this low, you know what's gonna happen. Boom, and then boom. Okay, if we can break this low, boom, right? So yeah, that's how we're seeing it. If it can break this low, take some profits, move your stops to break even. Very plain and simple. Let's move to gold, last but not least. Move to gold. Let's go. All right guys, it's time for gold. You know what to do. Type as many gold comments as possible. Let's give ourselves 2 minutes to do that, and then we can make the final analysis on gold and end the stream. You can make as many comments as possible. You can even comment random things. The person who was typing gold, the two guys, they haven't typed gold yet. I'm watching you guys. Someone says, do you believe the news during the early season? I don't know what earning season is. We'll move the dollar to the upside. News can do whatever it wants. News is based on how many people are buying and how many people are selling. If too many people are selling, then it will spike down. If too many people are buying, then it will spike up. That's what usually happens most of the time. Keep on writing your comments for gold, and while you're at it, let's get into it. All right, the last time, right, we said we were going to take a sell. We're putting our stops at the highs around here. What happened? The market tried to spike at the highs, but eventually plummeted all the way down. And on Friday, we were looking for another entry for gold, and I told you guys if gold was to, I told you it was very unlikely, but it was possible that if gold was to spike all the way up, you should look at around these 2000 areas, and it did exactly that. It went and spiked all the way here. I was able to take a sell. I was able to take a sell, and what happened? It spiked all the way and broke this low. Now, this low is the important area, this 1980 area. We need the market to break this 1980 area for us to get to this long-term target of 1950, right? Which is very important. We need the market to break that low of 1980. We're still looking at it. If the market cannot break that 1980, then obviously we know what to happen. Boom, and then boom, right, guys? So what do we have now? Forget about the 1980. Let's look at it as the low of today, which is 1975. We need to break this low of 1975, right? And then we can expect this push all the way down to 1950. Okay, but let's see, can we find another position for a sell entry? We could look at the areas of 2005, right? 2005, where's 2005? 2005, where will be our exit? Let's see. 2005, our exit would still be this 2012 area. Yeah, so it's possible for us to still get this kind of trade again. Actually, I was saying on Friday we said 2000 was our sell zone area, and now our sell zone area is moved to 2005. Okay, if the market gets to this sell zone area, it's possible to take a sell, right, at around from here. Okay, where would be the exit? This exit is still valid. This 2010 highs area is still a valid exit area. Okay, so this is our new sell zone area. This is still our exit area, right? Our main target, long-term target, is still 1950. Nothing has really changed much on gold. We are just having issues on breaking these lows. See, these lows around here. We're just having issues breaking these lows. This is what is holding us from going to our long-term targets. Not much entry so far. I'm still holding my gold sell. I'll take some profits today, and we'll see how far it plays. So yeah, that's it for today. We have one more gold bling bling adong. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. If you have any last minute questions, we have less than 30 more seconds in this live stream before we end it. Let's see how this plays out. If you have any last minute questions, 10 seconds more, and then we'll end this live stream. If not, Hope you guys have a nice trading day ahead. If you have any messages, send it to me on WhatsApp or Telegram, most especially Telegram, and we'll meet again on Wednesday. Hope you guys have a nice trading week ahead.